Hi, this is Kristen, and today you're watching an instructional video on how to use Google Docs in the classroom. Google Docs is a useful tool when it comes to group projects that involve lots of writing and collaboration. In this video, we'll go over the two most important tips and tricks in using this app as an educational resource. Before we begin, we need to know the basics. To create a document, open the app and tap the plus sign on the bottom right-hand corner. Tap New Document and name it. The keyboard should automatically pop up when your new document opens. You can now get started on your assignment. Just like Microsoft Word, on Google Docs you can change the font and its size, color, and highlight. You can bold, italicize, or underline text. You can change the line spacing and paragraph orientation, and you can bullet or number lists. These are few of the many tools Google Docs has to offer. The most important tool, though, and tip number 1, is the ability to share your document with others. As long as your group members have a Google account, you can add them so you may all work on the same document at the same time. To do this, tap the 3 dots in the top right. This will open up a menu of options. Choose the category Share and Export and then click on Add People. From there, you may type in the emails of your group members so that you can work together on your assignment. The second helpful tip includes a few other features that I actually wish I had known earlier on when I began using this app for school. First, tap on the plus sign in the top right corner. A drop-down menu will appear. Here, you can choose to add graphics like links, pictures, and tables. These are helpful when it comes to working on in-depth assignments for school. The other thing I wish I had known how to do is add page numbers. In that same drop-down menu, the last item says Page Number. Tap on it to choose the type of page number you'd like. To submit your assignment, click the 3 dots again and choose Share and Export, then send a copy. Make sure to make it a PDF if you're sending it in an email or submitting it to your Canvas app. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed learning these easy tips and tricks on how to use Google Docs as a student. Leave a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. If you have any questions, leave a comment or email us at vvhsstudenttech@gmail.com.